Hi guys, today I want to show you how to prepare yerba mate with a ceramic calabash. For this we need loose yerba mate tea, bombilla and calabash or calabaza in Spanish. Let's make it together. Fill the calabash with yerba mate till approximately the half of it. I'm gonna add about 2 coffee spoons of yerba mate now. Cover the opening of the mate with your hand and shake it up and down like that. Now put your bombilla into empty side. And add hot water 70 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius, almost filling the calabash. Yerba mate is almost ready. Whoever wishes can add sugar or drink this tea with sweets like dates or chocolate. Drink and enjoy. Thanks for watching to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.